Hi everyone, it's Alice here from Tanio TV, and I'm going to show you how to make a woodland crown. So today I am using fresh willow, but you can use dogwood, sycamore or hazel sticks. The way to test whether you can use these or not is just to get the stick and to bend it and to see if you can make a nice circle, and if you can, then they are good to use. So here's a range of willow. I'm going to start with a thick stick, and as you can see here, what we're trying to do is make a nice crown, a circular or oval shape, and it needs to be the right size, obviously, for your head. So here you take the willow, and you you could use your stomach as well to help make the shape. So if you bend it round very carefully, it should go into a nice circular shape for you. And then what you can do is you can just pull the extra strands around. Now the thicker parts are a bit harder, but they should go if you're lucky. So you can see there that it's slightly bent, but if that happens, it doesn't matter, because you're going to take a few more branches. And if you start at a different point, and again what you're doing here is you're just weaving the stick around your circle, so you can push them into place and just very gently keep pulling them through. And again. That's it. And if there's a couple of the thin pieces poking out, that's quite nice. But what we can do is we can get rid of these afterwards with a secateurs or a scissors. Okay, so we want it quite thick, so keep pulling the branches through, as you can see here. Pull in. That's it, and tuck them in. We're getting a nice shape there for our crown. There we go, look, so you can see that a nice shape is forming. And the wispy bits hanging out are quite nice, but what we want to do is we want to get rid of these thicker pieces here. So using secateurs, or you can ask the teacher to do this for you. You're just going to trim it down. Now you can add as many branches as you want really to your crown. Remember to always put the lock back on the secateurs. And there we go, a willow crown.